Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to restart this laptop. So to do this, you can either click right here to open the control center, then go to power options and select reset right here. Alternatively, you can press the power button for 2 seconds and then select shutdown and then turn off your computer once again once it's turned off. But if your device is completely stuck, you can press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until your device completely shuts down, and then just press it once again to turn your device on and wait until your device boots back into the operational system. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.